Okay. Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Everybody, have you taken out your book now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So please turn page number 66 right now.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Already, sir.
Okay. Sangbo Lama, in page number 66, what is there on your page?
The reviewers.
Yes, rivals. Okay. Rivals or rivals. So now see everybody, in this class we are going to learn second poem of this English book. Okay, in your English book there are so many poems, so from that poems we are going to learn one of the most important poem in this class. Okay, class, so everybody, are you ready for learning this poem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everybody, first of all, what you have to do is that please sit properly, okay? Sit properly. Don't check your camera. Sometime principal sir will come, okay? So before starting this poem, let me ask question to Kritesh. Kritesh, do you have any idea about the meaning of rivals? Kritesh, are you there? Kritesh. Okay, Sangbo, do you have any idea about rivals?
Yes, sir.
Kritesh, I asked you first, but you didn't reply to me. Then after I changed,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, tell me. Yes. Okay.
Sir. It is that date intervene.
Sorry, your net is gone. Okay.
Sir. Page number.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, page number.
Page number 66.
Sir, page number.
66. Okay. Sangbo, do you have any idea about rivals? Do you know the meaning of rivals, Sangbo? Sangbo.
सर पर्सन जस्तो लाग्यो
Sorry.
पर्सन हो सर
Rivals.
Sir,
Okay.
I'll tell.
Okay. Nice try, Sangbo. Let me give chance to other student. Please, guys, this class I am recording. Okay. So please don't speak rubbish. Try to listen. Okay. So now let me ask other student who wants to try the meaning of rivals.
Sir, I want to try, sir.
Okay, try it now.
Rivals means that doing competition between two person and
Yes.
they will win.
Enemy. In other word, we can say enemy. Do you know enemy? Competitor.
Yes, sir.
दुश्मन
Yes,
सर दुश्मन
Okay,
Yes, sir, this one.
yeah, very good, very good. So we are going to learn about two enemies. Okay, we are going to learn about two enemies in this class. Enemies means what, everybody? FOA, foe. Foe is another meaning of rival. Another meaning of rival is what, everybody? FOA, foe. Foe means satur. Okay, so now in this poem we are going to learn about two rivals, and summary also we are going to learn. Okay. Okay, class, so now see everybody, take out your book and see there. Okay, in your poem, see there everybody, there are how many stanza, everybody? There are four stanza. Okay, there are four stanza in this poem. Stanza means what, everybody? In Nepali we call it harap. Kavitako harap. Same as in English we call it stanza. Okay? it has written in 4 different stanza. So now in this class we are going to learn about this poem. So before starting this poem, let me discuss about writer. Let me share the thoughts of writer. Okay, what is the concept, what he wanted to convey us, what message he wanted to give us, that one we are going to criticize, we are going to know. So let me read this one. Okay, so now let me give chance to Lovin Thapa. Can you read the rival James from there about the poem? Read that one. That is
Okay, sir.
okay.
I heard a bird at around singing sweetly on a tree. There the dew was on the lamp.
No, no, no,
What
no.
is this?
Not
No.
that. Okay, okay. Not that one. I'm telling that see my screen and read. James statement.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, read that one.
James statement 1880 to 1950 and what is this?
And Iris.
So, so what?
Iris. Iris.
Iris,
Iris Nobel.
Iris no,
Nobel.
Iris Nobel and poet was born in Dubai,
Dublin.
Dublin and died in London. He is popular for his style of fiddling. Fiddling. It is myth and fairy tales. His style of fiddling is often commercial and relics. His novels, the Cock of Gold, his giant much.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Very good. Nice reading. Okay, class. So before starting this poem, let me tell you about writers. Okay. So whichever poem we learn in the time,
Sir,
we have to
page number
learn
66.
about poet. Okay. We have to know about poet. Then after
Sir?
only we can start. Yes.
Sir, you are talking about page number 66, yes?
66. 66. Okay. So now see everybody, okay, the writer of this poem, the rival was written by whom everybody? The rival was written by James Stephens, okay. He was Irish, okay everybody, he was Irish and he was a novelist and poet. Novelist means what everybody? We write different story writing, okay. In novel there is different person's life is written, okay. Some kind of imaginary things also written, okay class. Have you ever seen Avatar movie? Have you ever seen Harry Potter? Have you ever seen that movie Philosophy Stone? Harry Potter the Philosophy Stone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see everybody, I have watched that movie, okay. So now what I want to
Yes,
tell you
sir.
is that, listen everybody, what I want to tell you is that Harry Potter is a novel, okay. It's a novel, it's an imaginary novel which was written by J.K. Rowling, okay. So now see everybody, James Stephenson is also poet. Poet means kavi and novelist, upanyas lekhne, okay everybody. So he has two talents. See everybody, okay. And he was born in Dublin, okay, in Ireland, okay. In Ireland there is a city called Dublin, okay. Dublin is in Ireland. Dublin is in where everybody? Ireland, okay. So see everybody, he was born over there and died in London, okay. So now see everybody, he is popular for his style of retelling Irish myth and fairy tales. So now see everybody, he was famous, okay. He was a famous poet and novelist in his country, okay, in his country. And his, do you know about Dante Katha? एकादेशमा बुढाबुढी थियो, दाउरा काट्न गए तपाईको बाघलाई देख्यो, बाघलाई देखेपछि मलाई पनि रोटी खान मन लाग्यो भन्यो, लाइक द्याट टाइप अफ फेरी टेल. ओके, क्यान टाइगर स्पिक? डु यु थिंक टाइगर क्यान स्पिक?
Yes, sir.
They can do gwar gwar
No,
gwar
sir.
gwar. Okay, they can only roar. Okay, so now see everybody, fairy tales means imaginary story. Okay, fairy tales means what everybody? Imaginary story, which is called Pauranik or Dante Katha. Okay, so in his country he have written so many folk story of his country. Okay class, so now see everybody, his style of retelling is often comical and lyrical. Comical means what everybody? Have you ever seen comics? Captain Underpants? Have you ever read such type of comics?
No, sir.
So student,
Yes, sir.
student, what I want from your side is that please read some kind of comic, okay? Comic means comic about Spider-Man, comic about Superman, comic about Batman, okay, Ninja. That is a comic. Comic is a cartoon book. Comic is a what everybody? Cartoon story book. Comic is a what? Class? Comic
Cartoon
is
story.
yes. Yes, cartoon story book. Okay. So in cartoon story book, there is cartoon is also given and story is also given. So if we don't understand the words, then after we can see the picture and we can understand that one. So he was famous for comic writing, and he was famous for what everybody? He was famous for lyrical. Lyrical means his poem is like a lyrics. His poem is like a song. Okay, लयबद्ध, लय मिलाएको हुन्छ अरे क्या उसको पोएम चाहिँ. उसले लेखेको, उहाँले लेख्नु भएको कवितामा चाहिँ तपाईको त्यसमा लय हुन्छ. ओके, तारा पारा, like this rhyming word. Okay, so we can find this one in his poem, and he was famous in his country, also all over the world. So many novel and poem was translated in many different languages. Okay class, so now see everybody, see there, his last book Kings and the Moon was also a volume of the version that in 1983. He was interested in socialism and wrote poems on different human emotion. Okay, so now see everybody, last time I taught you about socialism or not? Do you know about socialism? Sangbo, last time I think I taught in the class.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean? Socialism. Sorry.
Socialization and socialism, sir.
Socialism. समाजवाद. Okay.
Socialization भनेको त्यो सामाजिक काम गर्ने social work.
Not that one.
Social work.
Not socialization. I am telling about socialism. Okay, thinking for society or doing whatever activities he perform. He don't go against the society. He connect with society. Whatever he had done, he always stand in the society and do the work for the welfare of the society. So he is like that. Okay class, so now see everybody, and another more important thing is that in his poem he always deal with human reaction, human emotion. Okay, if we feel sad, then after how we react, and if we feel happy, and then after how we react, and if you found 1 lakh rupees note on the way, how you react. Okay, he always deal with human emotion, human actual emotion. Okay, so in his poem he write like that. Okay, so now everybody take out your book and we are going to learn poem, and then after I will explain the poem and I will tell the theme of this poem. Okay, okay class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this time I'm going to give new student, okay, chance to new student. So this time Sandesh, Dhakal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the first stanza in your book, page number 66. I heard a bird at dawn. Read that one right now.
I heard a bird at dawn singing sweetly on a tree. That the draw was on the lawn, and the wind was on the.
Lee.
What is this?
Lee. L-E-A.
Lee.
Yeah. L-E-A.
But I did not listen to him, for he did not sing for me.
Okay, very good. Nice reading. I am so proud of you, my boy. Always read like that. Okay? Sandesh Dhakal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now see everybody, I am going to explain the first stanza of this poem. Okay? What this first stanza says, that one I will explain to you and I will make you clear. Okay class? Please listen to me. Okay? If you support me, if you listen to me, then after only I can help you. Otherwise, I am helpless. Okay? Have you ever watched Sole movie? Class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amitabh Bachchan and
Okay. So now in the time of fight with Thakur and what everybody, that one, Gabbar, in that time, Thakur has no hand. Yes, Thakur has no hand, right?
Yes, sir. He is
Yes.
helpless.
Okay. So like that, I'm helpless. Okay. So you have to listen to me. You have to connect with me. Okay. I'm explaining the first stanza of this poem, and don't say the line of the poem. Okay. You have to say stanza. So now see everybody, first paragraph or first stanza I'm going to explain. Okay. I heard a poem at dawn. Okay. Dawn means what everybody? Dawn or dawn. Okay. It means what everybody? Day breaking. Day breaking means बिहान ठ्याक्क बिहानै तपाईको के हुन्छ त घाम झुल्किने बेला हुन्छ नि उज्यालो हुन खोज्छ नि that is called dawn, day breaking. Understood everybody? So see everybody, in the morning, in the first morning hour, yes. Okay. Yes. So in the first morning, in the beginning of the morning, when I opened my eyes, in the time what I heard everybody, I heard the voice of the bird. Okay. In the time bird was singing. Okay. So now see everybody, singing sweetly on a tree. So that bird was on the tree and it was singing itself. Okay. It didn't sing anyone, it just singing itself. Okay, so now see there everybody, that the dog was on the lawn. Okay, lawn means what everybody? Agon, backyard, isn't it everybody? So everywhere in the lawn there was dog. Okay, dog means what everybody? Okay, let me ask with Bikisa. D-E-W, dew means what? Dew or the? Bikisa?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, Kritesh ji, dew means what?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever drink dew?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dew means what?
Dew
In the
means
morning
juice.
time, what you see? In winter
I
time,
see.
yes. झारमा विन्टरको बेलामा झारतिर के देखिन्छ?
Sir, sheep, you are saying.
Yes, like a sheet.
Sheet.
Okay. Yes. So now see everybody. Okay. When I open my eyes, listen everybody. When I wake up, when I open my eyes, in that time I listen. The bird was singing that time. Okay. In the time the bird was singing, and the same time I heard. Okay. And when I saw and when I listened that one, what I saw everybody, everywhere on the lawn. Lawn means agon. Okay. There was dew. Dew means what everybody? What I said? Siteru. Okay. And see there everybody. And the wind was on the LEA. Leo. Okay. LEA Leo means what everybody? Grassland. Leo means what everybody? Can you tell me the meaning of law? Grassland.
Grassland.
Okay, grassland. Very good,
Exactly.
Tanya. Very good. So now see everybody, wind was blowing on the law, means on the law wind was blowing on the grassland, up to the grassland in the same time the wind was blowing. Wind means what everybody? Cold breeze. Wind means what, class? Cold breeze. Okay, and see there, I did not listen to him, for he didn't sing for me. Okay, now, now see everybody, that bird was singing but I didn't listen to me. I didn't listen to him. Whatever he's singing, I didn't listen to him, and that bird didn't sing for me. It sing itself. Okay, everybody, understood what I mean, class? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
Okay, so second stanza, Sania, please don't see up, see your book and read. Page number 66. Sania. Okay, she's having net problem. Okay, new student. Let me ask another student. Okay, Sania, you are having, I think, net problem. Okay, let me give a chance to another student. Okay, so another new student. Anybody who wants to read second stanza of this poem? Who wants to read this second stanza of this poem?
Prashant.
Prasant. Okay, Prasant, start, my boy. Don't hesitate. Okay, I want you to speak. Prasant. Prasant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you playing hide and seek with me? One number, Prasant.
Yes, sir.
I will say like that. So now, please read second stanza. I did not listen to him. Read from there.
Sir,
Yes. Second paragraphs.
this about poem. So
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
the poem, the rivers, is about the risky.
No, not that one. Yes, not that one, my boy. Okay, Prasant, I'm going to give you chance later on. Okay, so this time, it's both brothers. Who are the brothers in your class?
Lois Lavin.
Another one, twins.
Nitik Nitin.
Okay, Nitik, your turn, my boy. Read second paragraph. While putting that picture, please show me your face and read. Okay. Nitik, where are you, my boy?
Yes, sir.
Read second paragraph, page number 66. Read the poem and I will explain. If I speak only, that is not fair.
I didn't listen to him, for he did not sing to me. That the dew was on the lawn
Lawn.
and the wind was on the lea. I was
Singing at the time. Okay. Thank you Nitik for reading. Okay, let me explain this one. Please turn on your camera. This is my one and only wish. Okay, understood, class? This is my one and only wish. Okay, so now see everybody, look at there. I didn't listen to him, for he didn't sing for to me. Okay, that the dew was on the lawn. Okay, so now see everybody, that bird was singing but I was ignoring. Okay, that bird was singing but I was ignoring. That bird sing itself. Okay, he didn't sing for others, he sings for himself. Because why he sing for himself, everybody? Because environment was so nice. Okay, the scenic beauty was so nice, so that bird get proud and sing itself, so that the poet, the writer of this poem, ignore the bird, ignore the song. Okay, okay class. So now see, everybody see there, and the wind was on the leaf. Leaf means what, everybody? Grassy land. Leaf means what, class?
Grassy land.
Okay, घाँसै घाँस भएको, हरियो घाँस भएको जग्गा, that means. Okay, so now see, I was singing at the time as piteous as he. Okay, now here is turning point. Okay, here is turning point. What is the turning point over here is that, everybody see, the poet is competing. Okay, he thinks he is good singer than that small bird. Okay, bird is also sing nice song, and he also sings nice song. Understood what I mean, everybody? He is competing. He thinks the bird
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes, sir.
me. Understood, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see, everybody, just as pretty as he. So the writer, so the poet, he also can sing nicely. His song also good. He thinks like that. Okay. So listen, everybody. Different head, different thoughts. Different mind, different people, different head and different thoughts. Okay. What Sango thinks and what Kritesh thinks, I mean, whatever they are thinking inside them, nobody knows. Okay, their thoughts, their imaginary, their creativity is different. Okay, everybody. So in human being, what they think, everybody, I am better than him. Okay, I am better than him. No one is better than me. We think like this sometime. Okay, we don't see our problem. We just claim that we are good, we are nice. No one is bigger or no one is good than me. No one is handsome than Sangbo. Sangbo thinks like that. This is just a joke, okay? Okay, just a joke. So see, everybody, see, due to the change of time, people are selfish and they are thinking they are good and other are worse. They are thinking like that. Understood what I mean, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now see, everybody, I was singing at the time just as prettily as he. I was singing at the time as prettily as he, about the dew upon the lawn and the wind upon the leaf. So I didn't listen to him as he sang upon the tree. Okay, so now see, everybody, his poem is what, everybody? His poem is lyrical poem. Okay, whenever he write poem, in the time his poem sounds like lyrical, sounds like lyrics. Okay, so see, everybody, see this. Okay, now let me explain this one again. Okay, so okay, let me keep this book here and explain. Okay, class. So now see, everybody, writer thinks that he sings well, he sings night, okay, and he ignored the bird, okay, and bird was singing itself, and bird was also thinking what, everybody? Bird also thinking that he is also good than others, and the poet also thinks that he is also good than others. Okay, both of them are singing. The difference is that bird is singing on the tree and he is singing on the lawn. Okay, on the dew lawn. There is difference. So both of them, they are thinking I am better. Okay, so now see, everybody, I have explained this poem. Okay, about the poem we are going to learn what this poem wanted to convey message. That one we are going to learn in this class. Sanya, whom we are talking with, please let me know. Okay, so this time I'm going to give chance to Bikisa. Bikisa, can you read about the poem, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read loudly, okay?
Sir,
about the poem?
Yeah.
The poem delivers is a description of one of the status of human mind, and that is
Rivalry
that
means
is
this one.
really people
Yeah.
are the victim of this strong emotion when they feel the circumstances are not in their favor. They feel for against hundreds of things based on do they make much of me, make me important. People see someone else as a good or not good depending on whether that person favors and praises them. The bird in the poem is starving. It is welcoming the world, the dew, the wind. But the speaker sense the bird is worthless to listen to because it did not admire him. What he didn't sing to me. So already finished.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So now see everybody, let me explain this one, okay, about this poem. See everybody, after reading this poem, what message we get? Sania, you are in my class, not outside. Please. Okay. So now see everybody, okay, after reading this poem, what we understood, that one I will explain. Okay, everybody. So now see everybody, the poem Rivals is about the description of one of the ugliest state of human mind, that is rivalry. Okay, so now see everybody, this poem is about human mind. Please turn on your camera. This poem is about human mind. Okay, human mind always change, frequently change. Okay everybody, if they are happy and if somebody disturbs their happiness, if somebody disturbs their happiness, in the time the condition of mind is changed. Okay class, so now see everybody, this poem totally deal with human reaction and human emotion. Okay, so see everybody, when people are happy, in the time, if circumstances means what everybody, परिस्थिति, बाधा, समस्या, ट्रबलनेसहरु. Okay, circumstances भनेको. And if circumstances come, then after what happen everybody, they are worrying about it. Okay, they forget their happiness, they just see their problem. Okay, this problem is making me sad, this problem is making my life worse. They think like that and they never see their happiness. Okay, they never think happy time, excited time. Okay, they are like that. Okay class, so this makes human being stupid and dumb. Okay, this make what everybody, this make human being stupid and dumb. So when we get angry, when we think that we are right, okay, I am stronger, I can fight with him, I can beat with him, if we think like that, then after we are not human being. Okay, we are human being, but we are, listen everybody, we are animal type of human being. Understood everybody? Animal type of human being means what everybody? We are having body, but we never think properly. Okay class, so that see everybody, see this, but the speaker says that the bird is worthless. Worthless means what everybody? Useless. Worthless means what? Useless. The bird is worthless to listen to. Okay, for singing that bird song, it's worthless, it's useless. Why do I sing? Why do I listen that bird? Even though I can sing, even though I have a good voice, why I listen to that bird? The poet is thinking like that. Okay, selfishly thinking like that. Understood what I mean class? Whatever I am explaining in this class, everybody understanding me or not? Nitin, Nitik, I think it seems Doraemon dog.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many minutes left? Let me check it out. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay. So everybody see there and okay. Prasiddha, can you read the summary of this poem?
This poem beautifully describes the morning scene. The speaker listens to the melodies, a sound of the bird. The bird is singing sweetly upon the tree in the morning. At the time, the drops are seen on the lawn
Yeah.
and the wind is blowing upon the land.
Slow.
But the speaker does not listen to the birds as it does not sing for him. The speaker feels jealous
Since
since since he can sing as beautiful as the bird,